What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your disputes on Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. And after typing, you will see this first official link of Stripe. Just simply click on this link. And after clicking on the link, you will be directly welcomed to the homepage of Stripe. But remember, guys, if you are new to Stripe, you first have to sign in with your email and password, and then you will be able to access the homepage, or you can say just simply access the Stripe. So after coming here on the homepage, on your left side under the product section, you can see the option of payments. Click on it, and after clicking, a drop down menu will appear. Now here click on disputes. After clicking on disputes, you can see all the disputes like the needs in review, and by clicking on all disputes, this will show all the disputes related to the test payments on your Stripe. After this all disputes, here you can see the won and the lost, and these are some multiple options to view your disputes. So this is how you can view your disputes on Stripe, and that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.